Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom permissions in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to settings or the setup menu. We go to setup and after that we need to search for custom permissions. So we just type custom permissions and from here we will find the custom permissions here. We click on it and then you will need just to start create new custom permissions. We click on the new button and from here you will add the label of it or the name. So my we can name it my custom permission or just perm, and it will assign a unique name to it, and then you can require a license for it, and you can also add some connected app if you'd like. So I'm just going to click on save, and from here you can start adding the custom permissions. So I will just click on add, and then you can uh, find if you have already some custom permissions that you can add to it, and you can also start adding the system information if you would like. So basically those are the one that you have created, and now we can start adding the required custom permissions if you had any. And basically you can start adding these or assigning this custom permission to user in the user panel, and you can use these custom permissions to other profiles, etc. So basically those are the steps to create a custom permission in Salesforce. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.